Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this program we are going to find whether a user entered number is even or odd. In this video we are going to discuss about the fourth chapter, decision control statements, where we are going to deal with if and else execution. Before starting with the explanation of the program, do like, share and subscribe to my channel to know more updates. So let us begin here. In main, we have a variable int num. So a num variable is created of an integer type. To accept the value of number, we need a printf scanf statement. So printf statement simply allows the user to understand what kind of input must be given to the program. So we are saying enter a number. In the next line we are saying scanf %d, ampersand num. In this case, we are accepting a value from the user and storing the value at the address of num where it is currently located in the memory location. Now, presuming that the address of num is holding the value of num entered by the user, now we will check whether it is even or odd. So here comes the logic. We are using an if statement. If num mod 2 equals to 0. This statement says that if the number is completely divisible by 2 and its remainder is 0, then if this condition is true, it will enter the if block. So if block says printf %d is even, num. So the num value is replaced with this %d and it will print that the number is even. Now if the number is not completely divisible by 2, then in that case this entire block is skipped, jumps to the else part of the program and executes the block written in this else part, which is saying printf %d is odd, num. So either the number would be even or odd depending on the state of the evaluation of if statement. Either if or else part would be executed. It says that you can write the statements for both true and false states. However, any one state would be executed. So let us check the output here. To go with the output, go to build, click on build and run. The output console window will be appeared here on the screen. Now let us enter the value. Say I am entering 47. It is saying 47 is odd. Let us test the another input. Say build again. And let's say we are entering number 78 and it is saying 78 is an even number. So this is how you can use decision control statements to either execute any one of the part depending on the condition. This is a very simple program to understand how if else works. Remember, if is an independent block, else is a dependent block, else needs a subordinative if part. However, if is an independent, so it's okay if you do not mention else part. In else statement, you are not supposed to give any condition as you have mentioned in if statement. I hope this video was easy for you to understand the basic concepts of decision control statement using if and else. Do keep practicing. Try the unsolved programs given at the end of the video. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel for more updates. Keep coding, keep practicing. Thank you so much.